Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I told y'all before, I'm really trying to start vlogging a little bit more. So I'm trying to do this. I'm not necessarily doing vlogmas because I'm fairly new at YouTube and everything, and I just don't want to put more on myself than what I know that I can handle. And I just honestly, I know everybody says this, but I just honestly do not feel like my life is that interesting. So, but I'm gonna try to do better with the vlogging as well as doing unboxings. But anyway, yeah, today is just kind of like a really simple day. I don't really have anything going on. Well, right now it's a little bit later. It's almost like 6 o'clock. I've kind of been out all day doing business stuff and doing, I had a client early this morning, like at 5 in the morning, and just other things that I can't necessarily take y'all with me. So I just decided to do like the end of the evening vlog. So this is what I just got in not that long ago. This is what I wore. So I just got these little stud earrings here, and then this cute little charm necklace. Let's see if you can see it. And it just says I love you. I don't know if you can like really see that, but it just says I love you. And then I have the matching little charm bracelets. Let me see. Ooh, sorry y'all. I have the little matching charm bracelets. There we go. And this those came from Shein. And I got this little pink raincoat on. It didn't rain here today, but I just wanted like a light jacket. It wasn't that cold, so I just wanted kind of like a little light jacket. So I've got this. This came from Boohoo that I bought a couple of months ago, and then this little puff sleeve like sweater top came from Target. And then I have this cute little checkered skirts on along with my little white slingbacks. And I will link this outfit down below so you are able to find it. So yes, I am going to take you guys with me while I take my makeup off, kind of put my hair up, and kind of show y'all what I'm going to be doing for my skin as far as like taking my makeup off and like a mask and all that fun stuff. I am going to pour a glass of wine because I need one. It has been a very long day today. So yes, I'm going to go pour a glass of wine. So yeah, so for right now, I think what I'm actually going to do though, I'm going to go ahead and take a shower. Mitchell's not home yet, so I'm just going to go ahead, take a shower, and then I'll kind of take y'all along with me while I go and take my makeup off and show y'all what I do for my face. So anyway, I will see you in a minute. Okay guys, so I just finished my shower. I didn't take my makeup off or anything, so I could kind of show y'all what I'm going to be doing to my skin. So I just went and put on these super cute little cozy PJs. I know I have shown y'all this on my Instagram a couple of weeks ago maybe. So yeah, this is just a cute little Christmas jumpsuit that I got from I Love Jewelry. I'll link this down below so y'all will be able to see what I have on. Ooh. So yeah, I didn't take any makeup off. I am in need, like I said before, of trying to find other products, skincare products. So right now what I'm going to be doing on my face is just kind of like a modge podge of just products, just random products that I have for right now. but I am going to be going and looking for a couple of other different things. So right now I am going to go and put my hair up. So that is out of the way, or at least just tie it back. There we go. Oh, I almost broke my nail. I need to get my nails done so bad, but that's gonna have to wait a little bit. Okay. Okay, so my hair is back. Fix my little bow. Okay, so of course we are gonna be starting off with the Glow recipe. This is the papaya sorbet cleansing balm. You see, there we go. And I've been using like a good amount of it, so I'm just gonna go and put this. Hopefully I don't have too much. Let me try to turn the dimmer down. I feel like I always have the light a little too bright. I think that helped out a little bit. So yeah, we're just gonna use the Glow recipe cleansing balm. I'm gonna kind of put that all over. I'm probably still gonna get this in my hair. And y'all, again, I did a review on this. This is a product that I received from Influencer in my little marketing box that they gave us of things to try. And y'all, I did not, like I said before, I did not think that I would like a cleansing balm. This is my very first time ever using one, and I absolutely love it. And you'll see, like, I go over my eyelids. It does not sting my eyes at all, which I'm very impressed with. And it doesn't leave my skin very dry at all. Like, it does not leave my skin dry. It just kind of like melts everything away. Oh, I look crazy. It's always so funny to see how I look when I'm in the process of doing this. Okay, guys, so everything's off, my lashes and everything. You see how crazy I look. So yeah, this stuff is so good. It just totally dissolves all your makeup off without it drying your face out. So I'm gonna go to the bathroom, wash this off, and then after that, I'm gonna be using the Neutrogena Acne Purifying Daily Scrub, which is this, to cleanse my face. And then we will come back and I'll do show you the mask that I'll be using. And then after we do the mask, I'll show you the I think I have another moisturizer, so we'll be back in a second. Okay, guys, so I'm back from cleaning my face from the skin balm or the facial balm, and from washing my face with the Neutrogena. So we're all clean. So now I'm just gonna put a little Vaseline on my lips. And we are gonna go and do a mask before I do the before I go and do a moisturizer. So I'm trying to see, I think what I'm gonna do, I was gonna do this gold the Peter Thomas Roth 24 karat gold one. This is for fine lines, anti-aging, all that. But because I'm trying to clear my skin up, that's not necessarily my #1 priority right now. I'm just trying to like detox my face. So so that I'm doing that, I'm gonna be doing this purifying black mask. It's like a charcoal mask here. So this one I'm kind of almost out of. I've got a good amount, but I'm almost out of it. So I'm gonna be doing this. I'm gonna be doing this mask all over. And then this is just for this is for, oh, it's like a jelly, so it's hard to come out. Yeah, it's hard to come out of the container, and it's hard to apply. And it can get very, very messy, but I like it. So this is a purifying mask, and it also helps with let's see, purifying, refining, decongesting, and hydrating the skin. So kind of all the things that I am looking for. So I'm going to finish putting this on, and then we'll be back. Okay guys, so this is the charcoal scrub. So this says to leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. So I am gonna go and get some wine. I forgot to put the wine in the refrigerator before I got out of the shower, or before I went into the shower. So it's been in the refrigerator. So I'm gonna go pop open a glass of wine while I'm letting this sit, and then yeah, I'll be back in about 15-20 minutes. We'll rinse this off, and we're gonna do a moisturizer. It's actually an oil that I've got a sample of, and I'm gonna be trying it out for the first time. So okay guys, so I am back from taking the mask off. I left it on maybe for probably about 15, a little bit over, a little bit more than 15 minutes. So I got my wine glass in the refrigerator. I'll get to it eventually. So anyway, got all that off. I am going to put on a little bit more Vaseline because I wiped all of it off. So yes, the oil that I'm going to be doing, okay, that's better. Sorry. The oil that I'm going to be trying out, like I said, is this one. I haven't ever heard of this brand before, but I did get it in a little sample packet. Okay, so the oil that we're going to be using, like I said, I haven't ever heard of this brand before. It just came in a little sample packet that I have. It's just Beauty RMS, and this is what it looks like. There we go. Yeah, that's what it looks like, and it just comes, just came in this little vial here. So, and this is, it looks like it's an organic oil. So, it just says apply 3 to 4 drops to clean damp skin as part of your morning and evening skincare regimen. Apply into skin with gentle circular motions, perfect for the RMS Beauty Uncover Up. So I'm not really sure what that is. I guess it's just the other line, or you can use it with other products from this same line. So I am going to put this on. It's just, like I said, and it's just little vial here. My skin is still a little damp from when I washed my face, but I think I'm gonna wet it just a little bit more. Hold on one second. Okay, so I went and wiped my face a little bit more, so it's a little bit more damp, and we're just gonna do these little drops here. So yeah, it says apply 3 to 4 drops. So I guess we'll just do that here. 3 or 4. And put this back on here. And it doesn't smell bad. It smells like, what does it smell like? It smells a little like the Darphin, oils, the Darphin skincare, I can't talk. The Darphin oil, that I had been using before. It doesn't smell exactly like that, but it does have that scent, just a tad. It does smell like oil. So far, I feel like this is a little heavy, but we'll kind of see. I'll kind of just play around with it and see how it feels on my skin. It doesn't feel as smooth as the Darphin oil. I will say that it does feel a little bit on the heavier side, but we will see. I would like to, I don't know how it will absorb, like once it is absorbed into my skin. I don't know if it will leave my skin heavy. Hopefully it does not, because the Darphin one doesn't. Like it feels like a nice clean light veil on your skin once I use that oil. So hopefully this one will do the same. But again, we are just trying this, so we'll see. That is really all that I'm going to be doing on my skin. I'm going to pull this down on my neck just a little bit. I always try to remember to go up so you don't cause wrinkles. I just always forget to do that, but I need to start doing that a little bit more. But anyway, yep. That is it, guys. Like I said, nothing too extensive. I do want to go and try a couple of other products, just to kind of like really see which things that I like. But so far, like I said, most of my skincare I'm out of, and I really do need to go and get some more. So yeah, I'll be doing that here pretty soon. I'm gonna take this off. It is absolutely filthy. So yeah, that is it, guys. Like I said, I'm trying to vlog just a little bit more, and I'm really gonna work on that. So yeah, this is just a little bit of what I am doing for my skin. Hopefully with me doing more masks, I'm gonna probably do another one tomorrow. And I'm probably gonna do more masks for a little bit, like every day, more than I would normally do it, just because I've got to get rid of all these bumps on my face. These look absolutely terrible. So but anyway, y'all stay safe. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.